Hey, welcome back to Dutch Shed Builds. My name is Jerome. These are my videos about the builds I am doing. Today it's all about the Suzuki GS450l episode number 9. And I'm just taking the engine apart and I'm gonna show that to you in this video. If you like the videos that I make, please subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to know when I've posted a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So today's video is all about the engine, which is back here. As you can see, I'm not completely done, but I'm well on my way after a long period of not doing anything on the bike. So apologies for keeping you waiting, but we're back on track. Thank you all very much for watching, and let's get this video started. So it's time to take this side off. Let's see. For everything is the first time, and this is the first time I've actually seen a clutch in real life, that is. So it's got the pressure plates and coils in here which you can replace. This is the gasket. I'll have to clean that out. The main reason there's two reasons I'm taking this engine apart. One, I did not hear the engine run when I bought the motorcycle. Two, there was a lot of oil underneath the engine, so my best guess was poor cleaning and or maybe a broken gasket. So that's why I took the engine apart, and also to learn and have a look-see inside. But mainly these gaskets, I think some of them were just worn. This thing's 40 years old, so you can't blame them. All right, well, let's keep cracking at this. So this is the piston that came off the engine. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup. I wanted to clean this, and I used some stuff which is very aggressive, but it does work. As you can see, this is all nice and clean. It looks really great. Rather tedious, but I get a beer.
Waar gaan we heen? Op naar top. Ja, lekker man. Zet maar in.
Alsjeblieft nu.
Thanks.
Cheers. Well, there it is. A homemade valve spring tensioner whatever thingy. There they are. Just over there. Just trying to get this up. There you go. Oh, sorry. There it is. There's number 2. And that is how my jig works. I have this box. I'll keep everything nicely sorted. Over here. It's the valve cover. Yes. These are the springs. There's 2 of them. And of course, the main attraction, which is the valve. As you can see, it's really dirty. So I'm going to clean that up. So I'm working on the engine. This is where the valves are. This is the bottom, and I need to get this out. This is the oil seal, and I'm gonna replace it. There we go. So that's the seal. Four out of 8, and the other 4 are just like really stuck and twisted. So that's a lot of fun. Trying to get this bolt off. Fucking smashed it. Damn it.